guys. Oh, not later, kind of. Dude, no. She's stuck right there. No, dude. Bro, I'm really crying right now. I'm about to cry. Dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's stuck. Oh no. Dude. No, she's mine. She's meowing so loud right now, dude. Bro, are you kidding me? Oh my god. Bro, how can I get to rescue her? Oh no. Dude, bro, if she dies, dude, just bro. Bro. Bro, who did this? Just wait. I'm wearing flip-flops right now. Oh my god. Bro, why did you fall? No. Bro. Oh my god, guys. Dude. Why did you fall? My god. Oh my god, I hope she gets out there safe. Dude, it's like, bro, it's so tall. That's right, because bro, it's so tall, dude. Imagine falling from this height, bro. Bro, that's it. Oh my god. Bro, that's actually 100 miles or 100 or 120 feet or 120 miles from me. You lay it down. 120 meters. Oh yeah, 120. Dude, bro, there's garbage in there. Dude, see, there's garbage. Just see, dude. Bro, dude. My god, guys. There is garbage. Oh my god. Bro, is this serious? Bro, she might die. Oh my god, guys. That's actually bro. Bro, if I fall from the I'll probably get a fractured rib, broken arm or arms, and broken legs, dude. Oh my god, I'm gonna post part 2. I'm gonna post part 2 later. My sister is calling me right now to get back. Bye bye guys.